A significant move towards regional unity. The All Manipur United Clubs organization AMUCO is currently holding talks with Naga and Thado leaders aiming to build what they call a new Manipur and a new Northeast. AMUCO President Hijam Sanjoy speaking on the sidelines of the 129th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat affirmed that the organization remains firm in its commitment and is working hand in hand with community leaders to achieve shared goals. The event was observed with great reverence at Cheraucheng in Thamaiban, drawing participation from several clubs and Marapaibi organizations that align with AMUCO's vision. Sanjoy described Hijam Irawat as a leader with many faces who tirelessly worked for the people and longed for a life of freedom. He added, "It is a moment of great pride that we are descendants of such a great leader." Meanwhile, former AMUCO President Hijam Nandoluang took the opportunity to clarify a recent controversy. Referring to his earlier remarks regarding NSN-IM leader Thungangle Muiva's visit to his native village Somdal, Hijam Nandoluang stated that his comments were his personal opinion and do not reflect the official stance of AMUCO.
Hijam Irawat self-determination aduga maning tamba leba ama loilami against the lebim samani Manipur miyam da napu force take abolish togi aduga mahakti adukki mati ekoi kunai asibu lamjing lamtak piwa miu amani hauna phana kunai asi da mahana kinarmse Manipur gi feudal amadi British law colonial law amadi Indian colonial law ahum da thengna ba ekoi gi layu kraba ahana se laibak kaya da pagraba ima gi masano mahakumna ekoi su laibak phabat lando si macha amoina tungin jage nagagi lusingba sing amadi thadog gi lusingba sing ngarang nahan mukta su hoji mukta ekoi inaba lepnaba new Manipur di new northeast mag da mukta ekoi akpun mi state holen da ekoi chatmi nari Hijam Irawat self-determination